Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete one photo from an Instagram carousel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The ability to stuff multiple pictures into a single Instagram post is incredibly useful, especially because most of us don't have the time, energy, or money to commit to daily curate posting like the most successful influencers. What can be complicated is figuring out how to delete one of those images when it no longer belongs in an existing photo dump. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can choose on the photos that you want to delete, one of them. I will choose this one. Here's I have 3 photos on my post. So first, you can tap on the 3 that's on the post on here. You have to make sure that you allow adding media on here. You can just allow adding media. So here's you can add more photos and you can also delete the photos. How to delete it? It's so simple. You can tap again on the 3 dots on here. You can tap on edit. Now you can choose on the photo that you want to delete. For example, I will choose this one. Delete media, you will be able to restore this media from settings. If you want to restore, now you can just tap on delete. So now we have only 2 photos for my post. You can tap on checklist on here. So now, as you can see, before that we have 3 photos and now we only have 2 photos for this post without deleting all the posts in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete one photo from an Instagram carousel photos after posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!